you can't say that. You can't say that about our president. The motherfucking president. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I can't hear you. The motherfucking president. Pump it up, come on, come on, come on. The motherfucking president. Come on, come on, come on. Pump it up, let's go. The motherfucking president. Pump it up, let's go. Yo, Rick, let's do it. I don't give a fuck about the motherfucking president. Look how we live in our motherfucking residence. Motherfucker living in a house of luxury. We pay the bill for that, so he should be living in the projects where I live.
Step in my office.
Well, it's the mellow, bringing serving justice, rated supreme. So once you step into my office, plug your ears in because the snare is clapping. The beat will hit your toe jams. Now the tapping, cause I'm rocking and my microphone's golden. I'm the man, the one who fans chosen. I'm not Ah yeah, YZ is in the house, ESD is in the house, B Fine is in the house, B Chill is in the house, and we gonna go a little something like this, on a smooth type tip. I'm the ANTHONYHILL. Caught my breath, so now I'll say, I got a little something that I want to tell you, so listen.